Hello guys, good day. My name is Felix. I'm introducing this site to address some of the issues in our agro industry, also in the main industries. Basically, I'm concentrating on challenges that are being faced with putting up of steel warehouses. As you are all aware, we have two major classifications of steel warehouses. One is the conventional one done with the normal hot roll sections, and the second is the PEB that is called pre-engineered building. I'll be addressing the major differences between these two as we go on with this information. But I've seen over the years that there are challenges being faced by people. Some will tell you it's better you do your warehouse using normal concrete. And some will tell you it's better you go with hot roll sections. And some will say let's do it using the prevailing system, which is the pre-engineered system called PEB. Apart from these, we'll be considering some of the cost benefit or drawbacks of using either the pre-engineered building as compared to the conventional buildings, conventional steel buildings, or the concrete ones. But as I had addressed initially, some things we need to really consider has to do with the budgets. And talking about the budgets, you are looking at aesthetic, you're looking at quality or suitability of the project for what is intended for, and we are looking at what the cost will eventually be. This also we shall be addressing. Another major thing we'll be addressing as we proceed with this YouTube channel. It's the system whereby, because these steel companies are trying to make money off you as a result of ignorance, is the issue of structural integrity of the building. And that is why most time you see some buildings go crashing down, and some, because of the fact that they want to save costs, some essential structural members will deliberately be omitted because they want to save cost. Over the years, I have observed, having done tons of steel warehouses, I've observed that one of those things are, some of those challenges will be in areas like reducing the wind load that a building ought to be designed for, especially around the tropics. Nigeria or Ghana or West African countries as a whole. As you all are aware, we are faced with huge tropical winds, and because of these, most of them do not consider the building regulations that is common to the environment where the building ought to be built. So this also we shall be addressing. But most importantly, the one that is very important to me is how to ensure that the cost of putting up these buildings will be okay for any promising client or customer. And so as time goes on, please kindly visit my sites or my YouTube channel to get information regarding these details I just enumerated. and I believe you would have a lot to benefit from the YouTube channel. Do not also hesitate in sending me a private email or a WhatsApp. Actually, my WhatsApp number will be below the description, and apart from that, you can also make a direct call for any advisory reasons, any advisory things regarding warehouse if you have one to build. I would appreciate to address those issues when the need arises. Thank you so much, and have a great day, please.